Imagine walking through a dense forest blindfolded. For many animals, their world is shaped more by sound than sight. Birds, frogs, and bats listen for the rustle of leaves, the flow of water, and the chorus of other creatures to orient themselves. These sounds act like an invisible guide, helping them find food, avoid predators, and locate mates. Elephants can detect distant thunder, signaling rain miles away. Even fish sense vibrations through water. By tuning into these acoustic cues, wildlife creates a mental blueprint of their environment, ensuring survival in even the most labyrinthine habitats.